Good morning, my dear students. Kasi gisina hanba online class ki hanba ni ko class 10 ni na di na ngai di class 9 gi da tawni aduna hojik ina takadul se chapter number 3 pair of linear equations in two variables haibani masida aikoina linear equation karino haibase hana khangba tai linear equation haibdi degree 1 oiba haibati x y hana yauriba variable singa kaba power se 1 oiba haibani ko aduna aduga magi variable ani yauba haibati x amasung y haidna yauriba variable singsibu koina variable ani se x amasung y se machine variable ani gi equation haide pair haibati jura lakadoi aduna aikoina general form of a pair of linear equations hairga kari khangna gibu a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 amana a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 sigumba equation jura sibu khangai ko aduna equation jura sigi magi a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 haiba masing singche masi x ki coefficient ni a singsina y ki coefficient ni b singsina c sina constant term ni ko constant term ko haiba singche compare tawbu matamda aikoina equation singsina mahut chenba graph singche kaknagani kaknaroi amasung lonsinagani habegi condition lai ko aduga graphically aduma lere aduga algebraically moise piramid jura se consistent oiba inconsistent oiba haiba musulai aduga moigi condition moigi ratio ahum sigi ratio changdam na matamda aikoina tarakpo phol dugi matungina unique solution laiba haide kangnaba solution laiba amasung no solution amata laitaba amasung amana kari infinitely many solution laibagi condition sing do ai sida irake ko bada aikoina number 1 if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 oiba tarbadi aikoina graphically haiba malai ko graphically amasung algebraically haiba result se graphically si oitaragadi aikoina graphically kai legada ge bo intersecting lines hoigani ko adagi sina algebraically si kari hoigada ge bo aikoi se unique solution lai haigani unique solution aduga number 2 tana if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 oirabadi aikoi graphically kanana mohchike parallel lines na mohchingani aduga algebraically kai haigada bu no solution laiti haigane ko solution laiti hairani sima then ahum subadana if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to C1 by C2 C ओरबदी कई लगते हैं वो coincident उइगने वो कौन coincident हाइडी लोंसिना वाला ये फंगने सिना infinitely many solutions लगने वो many solutions सी लगने कौन अदुना हाइडी बा condition अहम से कोई खंग बताए condition अहम से खंग अब मतुंगा कोई ना परीक्षा याम तोयना हंगन बा 1 mark की क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल चॉइस टाइप का अमदी तुम सी अहम जी खंग गदे हैगनी को अदुगा अकोयना हुजे सिगी कंडीशन सिदा यूनिक सॉल्यूशन लेरबा सिगी यूनिक सॉल्यूशन लेरबा अदगी infinitely many solutions लेरबा अदु इतारगदे अकोय कंसिस्टेंट वे हैगने बा पिरमिबा इक्वेशन जुरा से कंसिस्टेंट वे बा हैबगी अर्थदी मकोयगी solution लेजबा हैबनी को हाइदी अकोयना कईगुंबा थबा मा तबु कान कंसिस्टेंट ओइरे हाइ तारगदी अकोय सबक तो चपचाना मागी प्रमाण लेरे हैबनी को इनकंसिस्टेंट ओइरे हाइ तारगदी अकोयना कई तोरे मागी solution लेती हैबनी को अंकगी लोन हाइ तारगदी solution लेब तारबदे अकोयना कंसिस्टेंट ओइरे हाइगनी solution लेत तारगदी कंसिस्टेंट ओइदे इनकंसिस्टेंट ओइ हैगनी को सिमा सी कंगबा मतुंगा अकोयना जी ताकदोइसे ग्राफ की मतंग दी सिदा ऑनलाइन दा ताकसे कितंग नतै चारोय अदुना अकोय से कंसिस्टेंट ओइबा इनकंसिस्टेंट ओइबगी मतंग गे अंक खर ताक्सिको अदुना एक्सरसाइज 3.2 गी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 दा है ऑन कंपेयरिंग द रेशियो a1 by 2 a1 by a2 b1 by b2 c1 by c2 find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point or are parallel or coincident हाइबनसिन को हाइबनसिन से एकोइन होजे मसीगी मतंग था पोटपा अंकनी को तरमाइन तोंग न पीगे हाइबता रोमान नंबर 1 द पीरी से exercise 3.2 दा Roman number 1 दा पीरी बमसिंग से question number question number 2 की दा यावनी को Roman number 2 की दा पीरी बमसिंग से कोई ना 5x minus 4y is equal to plus 8 is equal to 0 amana 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 siniko adu itaragadi akoina here a1 is equal to 5 b1 is equal to minus 4 c1 is equal to 8 adagi a2 is equal to 7 b2 is equal to 6 c2 is equal to minus 9 haibisine ko adagi we see that equation urema tudi kaino bu a1 by a2 haibase is equal to 5 by 7 b1 by b2 is equal to kaya minus 4 by 6 ado di ani si manatre ko therefore a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 equal nga sai si condition si lai pamatamda la graphically mo chungkanda intersecting lines phangi haigi hangba ara hence the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are equations intersect at a point hay là có bindu mới được cặp này của mình số mày nào ở đây kita ngani ko ating mutungga Roman number 2 ki masing se kuina Roman number 2 ki masing se 9x plus thrice y plus 12 is equal to 0 aduga 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 sini hojik a sidadi ko na a1 kaya tare 9 tare b1 kaya tare 3 tare c1 kaya tare 12 tare adagi a2 kaya tare 18 b2 6 ko 6 tum yare adagi c2 24 maram atu na aikoi na sidagi ure matudi a1 by a2 habadi 9 by 18 habadi kya tare से 1 by 2 तारे अदगी b1 by b2 क्या तारे is equal to 3 by 6 every 1 by 2 तारे समझो and c1 by c2 every क्या तारे 12 by 24 every 1 by 2 तारे therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to C1 by C2 hay đó là máy nó tải mà nó tôi nói cái là mà hung mực trên lối nó mà nó có tải đi coi cái này cái bộ sai gì hence the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are coincident với cái này có coincident ada nih kong Roman number 3 ki masing semu ada ke kong Roman number 3 da 6x minus thrice y plus 10 is equal to 0 mana twice x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 ni. Adi here a1 yung a1 kaya 6 b1 kaya no minus 3 c1 kaya no 10 a1 kaya no at a2 kaya no 2 sina minus 1 c2 na 9 at iti a1 by a2 siya a1 by a2 hadi 6 by 2 hadi 3 tare at iti b1 by b2 hadi say minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 3 tare at iti c1 by c2 have say 9 by kaya 10 by 9 tare adu di therefore a1 by a2 ga b1 by b2 ga di manai adu c1 by c2 ga di manadre adu di kari uitare moi se aikhoina parallel lines oirane bang sai ki gidu matungina hence the lines representing the given pair of linear equations are parallel है नहीं कौन से parallel कोई है नहीं कौन स्माइल ना होत नहीं अंकल जी कौन दुगा ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯗꯅ ꯀꯟꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯀꯟꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯪꯀ 40 ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩꯀꯣ Question number 3 dana se Roman number 1 masing harke Roman number 1 ki masing se thrice x plus twice y equal to 5 amana twice x minus thrice y equal to 7 Sijo Sijo hana ge dumna ko chap manai ko you say here a1 equal to 3 b1 equal to 2 c1 is equal to 5 adum here c na som tanggal de minus 5 logani c ju som tanggal de minus 7 logani samanai ko aduna c equal to 5 C1 equal to 5 adagi A2 equal to 2 B2 is equal to minus 3 C2 is equal to 7 na lere adagi we see that equation remadudi A1 by A2 have a share kaya ga manai 3 by 2 ga manai aduga B1 by B2 have se kaya ga manai 2 by minus 3 ga manai adudi therefore A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 where and hence the given pair of linear equations has unique solution and therefore it is consistent with it consistent with it say taramu tamdana unique solution laiba amsung infinitely many solution laiba kanda consistent oi haigane naina hairabani ko aduna sima Roman number 1 adagi mo mathangi Roman number 2 gi khotse Roman number 2 dana twice x minus thrice y is equal to 8 mana 4x minus 6y is equal to 9 haiba ma masida yongo a1 kaya were 2 b2 b1 minus 3 adagi c1 8 adagi a2 4 b2 minus 6 c2 9 smile lagi adagi a1 by a2 share kaya were 2 by 4 haibati 1 by 2 tarani ko adagi b1 by b2 share kaya were minus 3 by minus 6 were simasu 1 by 2 tare and c1 by c2 kaya tare 8 by 9 were adudi therefore a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2 hai tare koi ure ko adudi akoi ngasai hai ki kari hai ki si condition se oiba tarabadi pair of linear equations se kari oi ke dage bo no solution oigani ko has no solution ko and therefore it is inconsistent harani ko it is inconsistent inconsistent อวยเนี่ยให้ที่ consistent อวยเจ็บก็ solution เลยเจ้สมัยนั้นให้กันนี้อะไรที่มาทั้งเย่สิโรมา number 2นี่ก็โรมา number 3อมุกหัวชิก็โรมา number 3ตนาแต่ที่ให้กันได้โรมา number 3की मशीन से 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 y is equal to 7 amana 9x minus 10 y is equal to 14 sini ko ano si Roman number 4 5 how like ko ano na Roman number 4 กับ 5 ก็ชนะไปอยู่ห้องวัดอีกตัวนี้มันในยังห้องซีสินะ last นี่ก็เซ A1 กันเอาไว้ได้3 by 2 B1 กันเอาไว้ได้5 by 3 C1 7 A1 กันเอาไปอ่ะเซA2 9 B2 minus 10 C2 14 aduh je koi na A1 by A2 kamai put okay yang si ko A1 by A2 se 3 by 2 divided by 9 ne aduh itar gede A1 by A2 se jadi kaya tare 3 by 2 into 1 by 9 wita de sina sedekah di 3 ada di 1 by 6 เลยนะaduh ka B1 by B2 B1 di 5 by 3 เลยนะ minus 10 เลยนะ B2 นะaduh di se 5 by 3 into 1 by minus 10 sige se tama di 2 aduh di sina minus ta 1 by 6 ta re jadi ani je mana dre ano na para na A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 right? Hence the given pair of linear equations has unique solution later ni ko unique solution and therefore it is consistent hai ni ko it is consistent hai ni ko sumai na put ke ni ta che aduna koina hujiki di ngasi di sibok tamag takan ni ko aduga lemhau riba Roman number 4 amasung Roman number 5 ti yaw riba question sing se try to ro noi homework oina ko homework to bu kau ganu maram di homework to ro ga di noi online class tu su sang nai na yeng ga da ni homework to ba ya ro notebook Saturday da pukal ka da ni ko ana hiyeng mathang da makha talakani adu graph ki matang chimadi sida online da graph paper tawra ta ko du pharak tarabani na akoina method of solution ko pair of linear equation ki methods of solution ahum du ki calculation jing do hiyeng makha takani ko okay let us finish for today